Listen quick. Top 7 exotic Japanese snacks only available through my link in the pinned comment, limited time. Up first, we have exotic flavored Kit Kats you've never had before. Next, we have the rare double extra flamin' hot Cheetos. At 5th, it's rare Skittles candy only available in Japan. Coming up are Oreos. Flavors feature grape, peach, or raspberry. In the 4th spot, we have exotic Frito-Lays. Flavors include spicy braised beef and many more. In the runner-up position are exotic Fanta flavors you won't ever have in the United States. My favorite Japanese snack goes to these Cheetos savory chicken flavored.